Alright guys, this is Dokya from Zoo. I'm doing this video for my non-Hmong speaking friends and followers on Zoo. And I hope that this video will help you guys um, out. Okay, this pretty much this subject is going to be about what is Zoo, what's different or special about Zoo, and why should I use Zoo. Okay, as you can see here. And to me personally, this is what I reply back on those questions. What is Zoo? Well, Zoo is a social network, just like any other one, just like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and etc. It's free for everyone across the world to sign up and join without any hidden fees or catches. And it is true. There's no hidden fees or there's no other catches that, oh, what do we have to do with this and that. It's free, just like how when you go sign up for any other ones. Okay. um, what is special or different about Zoom? Well, what's special about it or different is that they actually pay us 90% of the revenue that they get from advertisement. So they keep 10% just to keep the platform going, and 90% they pay us back. They give it back to us. And probably some of you guys might ask me or ask why and how do they do that? How do they pay you? Well, for example, if you post a picture up and there's like 1,000 views, pretty much Zoo will actually pay you 1,000 times for each view that you get um, on every single post. So pretty much every view that you get on your post, they pay you. Say you got 10 posts and each one of them got 1,000 views. Zoo will pay you 1,000 times for each post that you have. So that's how they pay us. Okay. And one good thing about that is that if you invited somebody in, using your user's name as short code, when they make something, you get a certain percentage of it. So it actually helps you generate more money, get more money. Okay, so that's what's special about it. So like what I tell people is, Zoo is kind of like Facebook slash um, YouTube slash uh, and those pyramid structure. That's what I tell people. What's special about it. All right. So that is something special and different, and we make money in here for posting up on Zoo. So that's the difference, and that's special about it. And people are going to ask you, why should I use Zoo? Or they, well, of course, well, they did ask me, why should I use it? I got this, I got that. Well, if you think about it, why should you? Well, it's really easy. It's really a easy question to answer. Well, you're already doing it for free on other social network, right? You're doing it for free. You're posting pictures up, putting status up. Why not do it and get paid for it? Easy as that. You're doing it for free, so why are you gonna not do it and get paid for it? Not do the same thing and get paid for it. If you don't want the money, do it. When and join in for me or whatever. Start posting when you make some money. Hey, send it over here. If you don't need the cash. So that is why I ask. That's what I tell my people when they ask me, why should I use Stu? Well, you're doing it for free already on other social network. Why not do it and get paid for it? Right. So this um, this video is gonna come to an end, um, and this is what I think about too. And this is what I how or pretty much how I answer people that is not a member of Zoo yet. And probably this will give you guys an idea of what Zoo is all about. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Zoo, and make sure you guys subscribe me on YouTube. You know, and I hope that this video will help you guys understand Zoo a little bit more better. And check out my next video that I'll be posting up, and it's gonna be in English again, so you guys will understand it. So you guys have a good day, okay?